This is the VEVOR Workbench Top. So you can see the material is chipboard. It is 60 inch by 25 inch, but the most important thing to me is this is 1 inch thick, which is kind of unheard of, especially for like a sit-stand desk. Most of those things are about a 1/2 inch thick, maybe 5/8 if you're lucky. 1 inch thick, that is super impressive. Okay. Excellent packaging. So that is important. We have rubber padding actually on the corners, and then thick foam padding protecting the whole thing. Okay, so we do have some branding on here. It looks like this is just a sticker, so if you wanted to, you could remove that. It is really up to you. We have nice rounded corners on here, so you don't have to worry about walking your hips into that. And most importantly, this is a nice clean surface on here, which for me, for doing photography work, it can really just make everything look that much better. In the box, it did come with instructions, and it came with a baggie full of screws. Yeah, I just love the look of this. I mean, especially if you're doing something that is black, a white background like this, especially something that is as large as this, it can really increase the quality of your work. So the screws it comes with are fairly short, so you can even get longer ones than that if you really wanted to. But I'm going to use these. So the secret to these is you want to make sure that you're using a drill with a collar on it so that you're not drilling all the way through the table, because you don't want to have holes poking up on the top side. So let's flip this guy over. Okay, so the bottom looks just like the top. There are no holes drilled out. So that means no matter what kind of a base that you're going to be putting this on, you will be able to make it work with that. So this is the setup I'm using. I'm using a 7/64 drill with a stop collar on it. And I have the drill set, so it is going to stop basically right at the end of where that screw is. I'm going to use a washer to simulate those legs, and we can drive that in. So if you want to do this right, all you want to do is put your legs on here, make sure that they are centered and exactly where you want them to be, mark out all your holes, pop some holes in, and then screw it down. It's not really that complicated, it just takes a little bit of time. And then that is what you'll end up with. I've seen sit-stand desks that actually come because they're trying to save money in shipping. They'll actually have it in 2 pieces. You'll have a board here, you'll have a board here, and you'll have a seam in the middle. That drives me crazy. This is 1 piece, and it is 1 inch thick. This is a very nice board. So I'm going to give it a couple whacks, and this is not just a mallet, this is a full-on dead blow hammer. Cool. That is a heavy-duty board. So overall, I am very happy with that. That is a very nice board.